just a couple clicks, you see how that blade starts to disappear? It's moving towards the back. It says 30 foot-pounds. There we go. It's 30 foot-pounds. One nice thing about this is if you unlatch the right side and you unlatch the left side and lift up, it takes both sides with it. So it saves you a step. Just a little management thing. Okay, we gotta get this yellow guard off. With any piece of equipment, you learn the hard way or the long way. I have found that this adjustment here is critical in getting that wheel lined up and the blade tracking correctly. Like all things, trial and error, but it doesn't take much to turn it and tune it in to where it needs to be tracking. Counterclockwise will move the pulley one way, clockwise moves it the other way. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You'll be able to see the blade disappear as I'm adjusting this just ever so slightly. Let's see if this works. Hate to mess it up now that I got it. But as you're rotating, it should track from pulley to pulley, and this blade should stay in the same place. But as you tighten this, just a couple clicks, you see how that blade starts to disappear? It's moving towards the back. There. Now let's go back, turning it until you see where it continuously tracks in the same place. I want just a little bit of that blade to be showing, the teeth along the edge there. Right there, it seems to be tracking pretty darn good on both sides. Double check. It says 30 foot-pounds. There we go. It's 30 foot-pounds. Now let's double check and make sure it's tracking okay. And it seems like it is. It's not running off the pulley towards the back, that's for sure. And it was also getting into those belts. I need to get some of those belts, replacement belts ordered, because I could see that being a problem at some point. And I don't have any spare belts. Tell you what, this log ox is much better, especially leverage wise, of getting these logs turned over rather than that big monstrosity that everybody uses. Regular cants, you know, you have to get way out here to get the leverage, and then you're so high up. You're so high up, you can't get where you want without a lot of effort. But I have found with my log ox, I can grab right here, bam, just like that. I'll tell you what, it makes a big difference on the sawmill. So log ox, you can get them at logox.com. Definitely recommend them for your sawmill, as well as picking up logs and all the other purposes it was originally intended for. That's some thick sawdust. Wood is beautiful, even with all these defects here, but definitely should be able to salvage some wood out of these 1x5s, 1x6s, and even the 1x9s that we cut out of this mystery tree. We do these sort of things for your entertainment and for our friends, family, and future generations so that they can look way back when and see what we used to do here on the Mechmaxx 36-inch sawmill. So God bless you all till next time. Thanks for stopping in Peterson Farms of Nashville. Right. Got a lot of wormholes, a lot of character, a lot of defects is what they call them.